Crypto Knowledge. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing one of the hottest topics in the world of cryptocurrency. XRP. So, what is XRP? Let's find out. XRP is a digital currency that is used to facilitate transactions on the Ripple network. It was created by Ripple Labs and was first introduced in 2012. Ripple is a company that provides financial settlement solutions to banks and other financial institutions. The company's goal is to make cross-border payments faster and more efficient. So, what are the benefits of using XRP? First, XRP is fast. Transactions can be completed in just a few seconds, which is much faster than other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Second, XRP is cheap. The cost of sending XRP is much lower than the cost of sending traditional fiat currency. And finally, XRP is secure. Transactions are verified using a distributed ledger system that makes it nearly impossible for anyone to tamper with the transaction records. Now, let's talk about the different use cases for XRP. XRP can be used to facilitate cross-border payments between banks and financial institutions. This is because XRP provides a way for banks to settle payments instantly without having to wait for days for traditional settlement methods to clear. Additionally, XRP can also be used for micropayments and remittances. XRP has gained a lot of popularity in recent years, and it currently has a market cap of over $10 billion. However, it's worth noting that the use of XRP has also faced some controversy. In December 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple, alleging that the company had conducted an unregistered securities offering through the sale of XRP. The case is still ongoing and could have a significant impact on the future of XRP. XRP is a digital currency that has gained popularity due to its fast transaction times, low cost, and security. It is primarily used to facilitate cross-border payments between banks and financial institutions, but it can also be used for micropayments and remittances. However, the ongoing lawsuit with the SEC means that the future of XRP is uncertain. We will have to wait and see how the case plays out. We hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.